And overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 23, verse 7 up to 15. Abraham bowed down and replied, "If you are willing to let me bury my wife here, please ask Suhar's son Ephron to sell me Macphail Cave at the end of his bill. I will pay for what it's worth, and all of you can be witnesses." Ephron was sitting there near the city gate when Abraham made this request, and he answered, "Sir, the whole pit, including the cave, is yours. With my own people as witnesses, I freely give it to you as a burial place for your dead." Once again, Abraham bowed down and said to Ephron, "In front of these witnesses, I offer you the full price so I can bury my wife. Please accept my offer." "But sir," the man replied, "the property worth is only 400 pieces of silver. Why should we haggle over such a small amount? Take the land, it's yours." So in this passage, Abraham negotiated with Suhar, with rather Ephron, the son of Suhar, for him to buy the Macpela cave to be a burial place for Sarah, his wife. So that's happened. And their negotiation succeeded. That's why Sarah